Alright guys, I got a great show for you today. I'm here in Germany once again doing some metal detecting with my Garrett Ace 150. I got a bit of a mixed bag today. I'm going to be doing some World War II detecting, and I'm also going to be out looking for some musket balls, because I found quite a few in this area last time. And later today, I'll be visiting the ruins of an old 19th century fortress that was destroyed during World War II, where I'll have a chance to make my own hammered coin, and we can see how it turns out.
Good?
Alright, looks like we got ourselves a sweet double here. An old spoon, and this seems to be some type of handle to something. I don't know, maybe a knife or... I'm not sure. Seems to be wood, this part. Looks like it would fit right in your hand there. And this old spoon, wow, what a beauty. I can't wait to get that home and clean it up. Look at that nice design on the handle. Awesome. Alright. The first musket ball of the day. I've been finding so many of these in this area. This is such a great place to be metal detecting. You can see there's two grooves on this one. This is actually called a minier ball. The grooves make it spin in the air. It makes it much more accurate than the standard musket ball that's just round. It's lead. Gave me a really good signal. It's quite heavy. I love finding these. Alright. This hole was just a junk pile. An old frying pan. Gave me a hell of a signal. This is just some lid to something. And I thought this was a stone axe head at first, but I guess it's just a piece of rock. I don't know. Alright, another double. Check this out. This is just an old nail, but this piece is pretty cool. It has some type of design on it, drawing. It looks like an old farm scene, I guess. I'm not quite sure. I need to get it home and clean it up a little more. Maybe I can find some writing or a date on it. I don't know what it would be for, though. Do you guys have any ideas? Interesting find for sure. Look at the size of this shell casing. This is a 23mm round from a Russian IL-2 plane, also known as the Flying Tank. Here's the lid to something. Definitely from World War II. Is this the lid to a gas mask canister, maybe? What do you guys think? Alright, check this one out. It's another musket ball. But look at this. It's all smushed on the end. This one must have been a hit. This could have gone through a deer, a wild pig, or maybe even a human body. Who knows? Well, this is interesting. Some type of shell casing from the war, I guess. I don't know, it must be from a flare gun. What do you guys think? Alright, another musket ball. This one's cool. It looks really old. It's very simple. You can still see where they poured the lead into the mold to make it. Wish I knew what date would be on this thing. Any ideas? Alright guys, that's going to do it for this hunt. Here's all the different stuff I found. There was a bit more trash as well, but I started to clean up. I'm leaving tomorrow, so I had to throw some of it away already. You can see I've got it displayed here with all these different bones that I've found over the years while metal detecting here in Germany. I love finding old bones, man. These are awesome. So, let's start over here on the left. This is just some tube, some ointment, I don't know, modern garbage. The spoon here, this was really awesome. It's in good condition. I think if I cleaned it up, it would be shining like new. It's got a great design on the end. I don't think it's from World War II, but I don't know. I have to get it cleaned up and see. This was, of course, was in the same hole as well, as you saw. I don't know what it is. I think it might be a utensil as well. Looks like the handle to something. This part is wood, so it's really fragile, but I don't know. There's not much left of it. Then, of course, an old nail. I find tons of those. And then the musket balls. Man, I've been finding so many of these in the area. Last time, I found a whole handful. Check these out. Found 4 altogether today. Look at these. How cool are those? And they're all a little bit different. You can tell they're from different time periods or different caliber weapons. Here's one of the Minier balls. That one's in really good condition. Then of course this one definitely hit something. I don't know. That's a really cool piece of history though. Here's just a bunch of scrap metal pieces. Some stuff from the war. Garbage. This was pretty cool. I still haven't figured out what it is. It looks like it maybe is the lid to something, a jar, or I don't know. But it's got a pretty cool design on it. It looks like it's an old farming scene. Wish I could tell what the date was. I don't know. I have to ask my mother-in-law. Maybe she knows what it is. Well, that's going to do it for the metal detecting portion of the video, guys. Let's head over to that 19th century fortress I was talking about. Look at this place. This must have been amazing while it was still standing in the 1800s. And there was an entire town behind it, all surrounded by one gigantic wall. This is all that's left now. Let's head on inside. Look at this place. What was once an entire town was absolutely destroyed during World War II. There's nothing left but a pile of rubble. Here we see a decorative piece. This shows you how much detail was put into all these buildings when it still stood. It truly is a sad sight to see. And some more pieces as well. You can tell the amount of detail they put into this place. Here's a soldier and all the different pieces they found. Someone must have been here with a metal detector to find this stuff. Some buttons off the jackets. Man, I'd like to find some of these items myself someday with my metal detector. Here's the musket balls. You saw me find some of those already. And you can see by these mannequins the different uniforms and guns they were using at the time. This entire place is underground. In fact, this whole town was connected by underground tunnels, which you can still climb around in today. Check it out. Here I am underneath the ground in one of these tunnels. You can see how the place was built. It was just all red brick. This place didn't stand a chance during the war. It was absolutely decimated. And what's truly sad is what's left today is full of litter. There's McDonald's wrappers and beer bottles everywhere. You can tell people just come out here and party. I wish they would clean up after themselves. Look how far back these tunnels go. Back inside, we see this old wagon or cart. This must have been used to transport traded goods. It's all mangled up now. Sad. Anyway, let's head into the room where I can make my own hammered coin.
Gut.
Werden wir sehen.
Oh ja. Ah, schön.
Gut?
Ja.
Andere Seite. Okay.
Dankeschön.
Well, as you can see, I didn't do a very good job. I didn't center it very well. Some type of design here on the back and some writing in Polish. I'm not sure what it says. Pretty cool, though. It was just a cheap aluminum disc. It only cost $1 to be able to try it out, but I've always wanted to see what it's like to make a hammered coin, so it was a cool experience. Let's take a look at the other side. Ah, here we see. This must be the king. Or some type of political figure. And there's a number there. 10 hand. I don't know what it says. It looks like it probably is the replica of the stamp of another coin. I don't know. Maybe I can do some more research on it and figure out what it means. I should have asked the guy, but he wasn't very friendly. I don't think he was as impressed by it as I was. Before we go, I wanted to show you one last thing. This is the one and only hammered coin I've found so far while metal detecting here in Germany. This is my best find ever. I don't think I'll ever top this one. It's a hammered gold coin from 1758. It's from the Netherlands. Look at that. Wow, this was so exciting. Well, that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed. Back to Orlando tomorrow. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you would. That would help me out a lot. Thanks for watching.